Howdy ho, bitches. Happy Thanksgiving 2020. Woo! The date is October 11th, 2020. Thanksgiving weekend. I really wasn't planning on cooking a turkey this weekend because every store I went to was either sold out or had turkeys that were insanely expensive. Well, a day and a half ago I was at the No Frills and I got this fucker, 12-pound turkey for 12 bucks. It's a young turkey, a din-don. Maybe the din-don is a bit ting-tong. There you go, $12.08. 5.848 kilograms. So it's $1 a pound. So, I'm gonna have a beer. Oh, and happy birthday, October 11th, to my friend Arissa. Cheers. We're gonna have a steam whistle for you today. Gotta take off the can condom. Steamy. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! Cheers. Nice. So, like I said, I just picked this up. It just finished thawing out this morning, so unfortunately, no time to brine, only time to shine. Welcome to the land of freedom, bitches. Woo! Oh, my leaves are blowing around. See? My nice autumn decoration. It was -2 this morning. It's 11 now. So, it's going to be easy. Wash the turkey off. I'm not even going to put butter under the skin. Just going to throw in a couple of, well, one piece of celery cut up. A couple of cloves of garlic. And an onion. And bastard rub. That's it. And look, that's all I have left. Don't worry. Episode 23 of unboxings coming out. Wait till you see what's coming in that. Has to do with bastard rub. Alright. So, you don't need to watch me get this ready. Charcoal is lit. We're doing this in the kettle. And we'll hook up with you guys outside. Give me a few. RTFO mofos. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Happy Thanksgiving. Whoa. Alright, bitches, there you go. 12-pound turkey is there. It's not trussed properly. I don't really care. The thing was still frozen in the middle. Pissed me off, so I had to give it a little persuasion with some water. And yeah, sure, half my onion and celery is going to fall out. I don't care. It's going. Gotta adjust the weight. Or maybe we won't. Let's give it a spritz-a-roo. Cheers-a-roo first. Drink up, buttercup. The sun is very low in the sky these days. It's autumn. So we don't get too much sun. I should put a piece of pecan in there. I think it will. Good enough. Okay, I'll go get a piece of pecan wood. And show you around a bit. Give me a second. 2 small pieces of pecan. One on each side. Put the lid on. Boom. We good? All right. See how long this baby takes. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Well, take a look around here. Come here, camera. It is a nice day. It was -2, like I said this morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Trees are changing color nicely. There you go. Yellow, red, the leaves coming down. Take a look down the road. Nice. Howdy ho. It's been about half an hour, I guess. Just getting some potatoes ready. Gonna do garlic mashed. Cheers, biggers. Woo. Let's take a look at this and give it a spritzeroo. Oh, celery fell out. I knew it would. It's looking good. Nice. Might have to wrap some foil on there. We'll see. There you go, bitches. Nice. Woo. Smells good. Cheers, big ears. Yummy. All right, bitches. Here we go. Got some potatoes and cloves of garlic in here. Some butter. Getting up to room temperature for when we make our mashed potatoes. And we're drinking. We got the carling going now. So yeah. Now it's just a waiting game. Put these potatoes on soon. Oh, I gotta cut some chives. I'm gonna put some chives in there. Then we'd be good to go. Alright, bitches. Cheers, biggers. RTFO mofos. Howdy ho, bitches. It's been about 2 hours. Time for beer. So, drink up, buttercup. Fuck, that's good. Let's take a look here. It's been about 2 hours. Added some extra charcoal. Wrapped the fucker, because it was still frozen in the middle a bit. So we're getting ready to start the potatoes. This is just a little looky-loo. Hello, hello. Look in there. All right, it's good enough. And that's how you do it. Dee-lee-lee. We need more beer. Cheers. To negative bottle? No. Okay. Prosit. Get hammered. Howdy ho, bitches. It's probably about 3.5 hours. We're done. We're good to go. Cheers, big ears. I'm gonna take it off, put it on a rack, tent it, and go and visit. All right. Take a look. Looky-loo. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Get rid of this. Cheers, big ears. Smells phenomenal. Alright. Just gonna stop it. I'll put it on a rack and everything, and then I gotta take it away, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, big ears. RTFO mofos. Woo! Woo! There you go. Yummy. Look, see now, okay, you're being filmed. Wait, I have beer. Look, I have beer beside Gatorade. There are children, and then there's pictures being taken. All right.
The big GB turkey.
This is my very first turkey on the rotisserie. I've cooked turkey in the kettle before, but never on the rotisserie. Took about as long as I expected, but the charcoal burned faster than expected. So that's what it looks like. And then we have carrots, and we have stuffing and asparagus and some garlic mashed, which was shown a little bit earlier. Oh, and we have a little doggy. Look out! Fork down. Fork off.
Smells amazing.
I know, hey? I think there's one more string. I really wrapped the hell out of it.
Can't wreck the
At least I
price.
took the livers and kidneys out. It had giblets. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it.
So good.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm so happy.
Nice. I'm excited. Woohoo!
I need my rum and coke.
Oh, and we have to make this more G-rated now because there are younger people here.
Fucking right.
Look. Okay, we're carved up.
Okay, that's good for now.
Look at that, eh? That's awesome. There you go. Woohoo! I think this is
everyone in that.
right on. Oh, you got me in there too?
Yeah, in the window reflection.
Oh, right on. Awesome. All right, we're gonna eat, guys, and then we'll be back.
So good. Happy Thanksgiving.
And yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. 2020. This is our
Come
COVID
back if you're not sure.
Thanksgiving. And guess what? I'm in the bubble. Woohoo!
That's so hard.
Oh yeah, you're very welcome. All right, bitches. Everybody is like devouring their food. Apparently, I've brainwashed them. And they said it's good.
So good.
That's my plate. And yeah, we'll be back in a bit. Cheers, big ears. Oh, I have wine. See, look. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Woohoo!
You
Yeah,
guys
see?
like that?
No, I have the devil in me because I'm supposed to be left-handed, but I'm not. They made me. They made me this way. Bigger, better, badder, drunker. Woo! All right, we're done, guys. So, you know, the meal was acceptable. Everybody lived. Thanksgiving 2020 was awesome. And, you know, at this time, at this place, at this very dog gang moment, it's time for a tea. And tonight, our tea is for Mr. MMT.
Where the fuck is MMT?
I don't know. I've been asking myself that too. Tonight, we're gonna have a tiger. Because T is for tiger, bitches. Woo! Fuck yeah. Oh, wait. This is the G-rated version. Isn't it? Hey, can I do this now? Look, listen. Wow. Can you hear it? Hey, even the dog wants some. You want some? Tiger beer? Mine. Cheers, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving 2020.
Thanksgiving.
Woohoo! Ah, fuck yeah. Woohoo! Thank you.